Welcome back, Homebodies. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. If you didn't know, this is the Home Life where I share videos about just being a homemaker, being home with a little girl. So if you just so happen to like that kind of content where I talk about everything under the sun, including being an interior designer, I will hope that you click that subscribe button and become a part of the Homebody family. But today's video, we are going to go over some of my curly hair and straight hair favorites. And as you can see, my hair is color treated. So I'm going to mention quite a bit of product that I have tested and tried for many moons. And I just want you guys to know that on this channel, I do not mention anything that I have not tried at least for 6 months. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and hop right into this video. So I think I'm gonna start with my curly hair favorites because me and my daughter have her hair is way thicker than my hair, but we have the exact same curl pattern. And for a co-wash, I like to use this Suave Almond and Shea Butter Moisturizing Conditioner. I find that this is the only conditioner or co-wash that I can use, and it detangles and moisturizes our hair effectively. Now, just so we understand, I've been using this particular one since it came out about 7 years ago. Before then, I used, oh Lord, what did we use? Before this came out 7 years ago, I think I was still using Kinky Curly and Aunt Jackie's Shea Moisture. All that stuff gave us product damage, so I stopped. Next, which is new to the game, is this Curlescence Moisturizing Co-Wash. Y'all, when I tell you this stuff is amazing, I literally love this line to a unrealistic point of view. Like, I don't even know what took me so long to get on the bandwagon with this product. This will be my second co-wash of this the Curlescence, but I love the styling product, the curling jelly, and the what is that, the leave-in conditioner. I love that stuff. As a matter of fact, all this year 2020, I did not straighten my hair but once, just to get my ends trimmed. But this was what I used the entire year. I do feel like this is a dupe for the Anasi. I do like Black Bask and Bloom as well. I love the smell of it, but this is just a little bit more tangible than both of those product lines. And so I kind of just stick with what I can get my hands on the fastest when it comes to curly hair products. In that same line, I like this Moisturizing Healthy Edges. I literally just used it in a video, and let me tell you, it lays my edges, but also I can definitely say that if I want to comb my hair out of a particular style, I don't have a problem with it. Let me see. Okay, yeah, this is all Eden. Next is the Eden Natural Hair Mask Treatment. Let me be honest, I use this whether I have curly or straight hair. Come on, focus. There we go. I don't have a particular time when I need a mask. I don't have like a separate curly hair or straight hair mask. I just use whatever mask I have. Also from Eden, I have the Hydrating Custard, and I also have, sorry you guys, the Cleansing Co-Wash and the Curl Defining Creme, or Creme, however you want to say it. either way it go, I love this product, and I can tell a major difference between me and my daughter's hair since I've started using the Eden and the Curlescence curly hair products. And I try to buy stuff that's at least 16 ounces. I try not to do anything that's 8 ounces, not even styling products, because we got a lot of hair. Like, although even like I just got my hair trimmed, but although like it might seem tamed, when it's wet, it's a lot. And I like to thoroughly saturate our hair, so I try to buy products that are at least gonna give me 16 ounces prayerfully. The next thing is the KeraCare, which is in the pretty much the same brand as this, but it is actually a hair wax. I'm about to move over into my straight hair products, just the FYI. Sorry I didn't do a heads up. But with the styling wax, when I press me and my daughter's hair, we typically get a lot of frizz and flyaways after we've been curly for quite some time. And I find that this is amazing. Like, I thank God that the people that formulate this are located in the South, and they know what kind of heat and humidity we have down here, because literally in the winter we still have humidity. Okay, Atlanta's still hot in the winter, and when it's hot in the winter, this stuff, summer, winter, spring, or fall, does not come off. And I absolutely love this. As a matter of fact, I have been kicking it with this styling wax since, at one point, this was only in salons here in Atlanta. And I remember about a little over 8 years ago, buying this styling wax off of my beautician at the time, because I fell in love with it after she did a sew-in on me. And literally, like, she just, and it all came together. And from that point on, like, anytime that I would see her after I ran out, I would buy this off of her, because it wasn't sold at any beauty supply store, Sally, nowhere. You could only get it from a beautician at that point. Okay, going into what I use for my color treated hair and my straight hair. These are die-hard OGs, okay? Like, I've been using this stuff for quite some time. One thing that I don't have any more of, but I do suggest it, is the Shimmering Light for color treated hair. I've used this on people, when I say people, family members, because I no longer do hair, that have gray hair, and you know, it kind of get a little dull. I love it to bring back that shine and that luster. You can get it from Target, and you can get it from Sally's, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. But I was first introduced to it by my cousin, and I absolutely adore it for my color treated hair. I love it for bringing back the vibrancy of my color, and I feel like it does a better job than a product that I'm about to show you now, which is the Nairo Light for gray, whites, highlighted, light blonde, and tinted hair. Before I just recently went and got my hair dyed, I was using this on my blonde hair, and I don't like it. I liked it because it brought back, it dealt with the brassiness of like my blonde hair, but I feel like this product really dries my hair out, and that's why I don't like it. And I felt like it took the moisture out of my color treated hair. So I just, you know, if I had a choice, I would always use the Shimmering Lights, but you know, girl gotta have a backup for a backup, okay? So that's why that's over there. Now, these are my ride or die products, okay? Like, when I say ride or die, I have been using this particular product line since you could only get it from a consultant. That's how long I have been using Design Essentials. Like, my aunt I've been using Design Essentials since my auntie put me on. I want to say, so their lab is off Panola Road. That's how long I've been using this stuff, when they were at McBride Labs off Panola Industrial. And if you are from Atlanta, you have ran into this product line. I cannot remember what stylist created it, but sis, let me tell you, I appreciate you, because you have been moisturizing my hair for about 15 years now. So, like, easily 15 years at this point, because I want to say I was just getting in high school when my aunt was selling this Design Essentials. But this honey cream moisture retention, baby, let me tell you, this is a staple die-hard product in my line. Like I said, I have been using this exact shampoo and the Almond Butter Express Instant Conditioner for so long that I actually stopped buying the little 8-ounce bottle. I just go ahead and bite the bullet and buy the what ounces is this? This is a 32 ounce. They do come in bigger bottles, but this size tends to last me about six to 8 months. So that's why I buy it in this size, and I call it a day. I don't have, for my straight hair, I don't waste my time trying to find other stuff. Even like my blowout, my blowout and like the finishing spray, that is from Design Essentials too. I will, you know, put a picture right here. But this stuff I've been using for so long, I don't see a need to change it. I have ventured out into some other straight hair products, hated them. They dried my hair. Like, I got a lot of product damage. With this stuff, I see 100% curl retention, period. And trust me, I press my hair, if not every week, every 2 weeks. I am not one of those naturals that goes by the rule where you're only supposed to press your hair once a month. Sis, no. First of all, I work out and my hair stink because I sweat in my hair, so it's got to get washed. And I can't tell you enough good things about this product line. It's a OG for me, and I'll never change, even on my daughter's hair. Like, just hold on, I'll have her come. My last straight hair thing, which I will never not be able to get enough of, are plastic shower caps. Now, I'm a girl raising a girl, and I know that these say they're processing caps. That's not what I use them for. I use them for the shower. Why do I use them for the shower? Because, like, we just go through them so fast. Like, we never keep up with them. So I don't invest in those expensive shower caps, those luxury shower caps. I don't invest in it. Why? Because I know us. It's gonna end up ruined. I'm gonna end up getting makeup on it. My daughter's gonna end up losing it. The dog gonna end up eating it. So I don't bother myself with it, okay? I don't. So 10 times out of 10, y'all will probably never see me review or bring on a shower cap, like a luxury shower cap that costs you, you know, $15, $25. Why? Because for $25 I can have like 5,000 of these little shower caps that I know we're gonna end up throwing away and using for deep conditioning and all that good. Just know I'm not gonna do it. Why? I've been in hair long enough to know I do my own hair, I do my daughter's hair. So for us, I know that these are expendable things and they're impractical. I would never suggest for someone else to spend $15, $20 on a shower cap that I wouldn't myself spend. So that's just a quick FYI. But give me a second, let me get my daughter so that y'all can see her hair. Okay, so turn around pretty. Scoop, 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 scoop. Okay, so as you can see, like I said, I do both of our hair. And as you can see, she's got like this really thick hair. And so I use this product on both of our hair. As you can see, my hair is way thinner than her texture, but I use it on both of us and I love it. So, you like it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, we like it, so turn around so they can and get a good look at your pretty face. This our face. So we absolutely, stop looking weird. Gosh, we like the design essentials. I like it for her hair, and we actually like these curly hair products too. So I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right?